Hey guys, your buddy Lyle here at C&S Corvettes in Sarasota, Florida. We have passed a couple of really important milestones recently with our YouTube channel, thanks to you guys, where we're almost at 25,000 subscribers now, and our videos are reaching a wider audience than they ever have, and that's awesome. There are two things that I need your help on because you're the ones who are building this with us. Two things you can do for me. Number one, if you watch one of our videos, even if you're a subscriber, still hit the like button if you like the content, because that tells YouTube that every click, every view, it reaffirms that somebody liked the content, and that changes the way YouTube's algorithm sees that particular video and can determine on how wide a scope YouTube casts that out there to the public who may not be aware of us yet. So please hit the likes, because I'm looking at the number of likes we get versus the number of views we get. We're not getting any dislikes, but we should have the same number of likes or close to it as the number of views, and it's very, very disparate. So please, if you found it useful, just take a moment and click the like, even if you don't want to subscribe, even if you don't want the notifications, just as kind of a thank you, like you would tip your waitress or your waiter, just go ahead and hit that like button, because that helps us and it allows us to continue to help you. Second, because of how much information we've put out to the Corvette community, and in earlier videos I had put out my phone number and all kinds of stuff saying, hey, if you need help, let me know. The idea behind that was, if you needed help working on this particular project I've shot a video on using the parts you bought from us, I am more than happy to help you. What it has become is everybody calls in with every conceivable Corvette question you can possibly imagine. And I help everybody that I can. Certain questions I can't help you with. Questions like, what's that smell in my car? Honestly, sir, I don't know. Where does the green wire go into the third plug from the left under the dash in 85? I don't have that in my head, sir. I can't help you with that. But a lot of people have legitimate questions that they need to have answered. But the problem is, I only have 2 ears and 1 mouth, and I am on the phone all day, which I'm good at it. I love it. I've been doing it for a long time, and we are here to help. But first of all, I'm here to be in business, and I have to take care of the customers whose cars are in my shop and who are currently buying parts from me first, before I can devote a ton of time to answering questions, in effect, for free. So what I'm going to ask of you guys, and I mean this in the bottom of my heart, send me your questions. When you're stuck, when you need to know a particular fact about a particular car you're looking at, whatever, just don't call. What I would ask you to do, and this is, I read all the comments and all the videos. If you have questions about something pertaining to that video, put the question in the comments below, because then when I have a moment and I scan through the comments and stuff from YouTube, I can go in and I can get you a decent answer in a reasonable amount of time. Whereas if it is by the phone and I just can't get to you, and I'm 70 phone calls deep in a day, which has happened, I may not get to you at all. So either leave it in the comments, which is my preference, or if it's something that is really detailed and you have a really long question, email it to me. And I still make my email available to you guys. It's lyle@corvettepartscenter.com. And as long as you can be patient with me, I will eventually get to every email and at least say, hi, I've read your email, I'll get back to you, or hey, I've read your email and this is a subject I can't help you on because I don't have any knowledge about how to supercharge a P51 Mustang, which those are questions I get. So I very much appreciate this, guys. You have helped us build this channel into something that we had never anticipated it having this kind of success. And now we are really committed to kind of returning the favor to you by providing better, more pointed, more interesting content as the weeks come by. So if you can help me with that, I will be able to help you better, because I'll have more time to get my actual work done and then devote some of the minutes in between to shooting videos and coming up with concepts and ideas and stuff. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate it, and we'll see you soon.